welcome to Selfie Torah. This week my house has been completely overrun by lost and found. We have tables and tables, garbage bags full of lost and found from camp and other events that we've been sorting through and of course trying to return to the rightful owner, and lots of items have been, which is great. Lots have not. There's a very interesting dichotomy, an interesting difference in how American law views lost and found and how Jewish law views it. In American law, generally speaking, you find something, you keep it for 30 days, or you announce in the police station, and then you can keep it. In Jewish law, when you find something, if it has an identifiable mark on it, you hold on to it for how long? Forever. Okay? If something has an identifiable mark and could possibly be returnable, we don't ever keep it. We have to always return it. Why does Jewish law seem to favor the loser, where American law seems to favor the finder? Right? And I think the answer is it's not true. It's a wrong impression, and we need to shift our paradigms. Jewish law does favor the finder. But what do you value more? Do you value stuff? Do you value materialistic items? Or do you value the opportunities of doing a mitzvah, of returning something, of helping another human being? What the Torah is doing in obligating us to return lost items forever is saying we're never giving up on this opportunity to do a mitzvah. And the chance of keeping something, a pair of pants or a wallet that you found, that would be weird. You just find a pair of pants on the street. Okay, forget I said that. The opportunity to keep something is not nearly as exciting or as rewarding as the opportunity to help another human being. That's one of the lessons of a mitzvah of the Torah and having a Gila Shabbat. Did anybody lose a sock? Yeah, is this yours? Yeah, excuse me, did anyone lose a sock?